Hi Jim, thought I'd make you a quick video about getting to your photos on your phone and getting them to yourself at home. I press this button right here and I'm looking for the gallery. Might take me a minute because I have a lot of stuff on here. I'm probably going the wrong way. Yep, I am. It's back the other way for me. Here's my gallery button. I'll tap that once. I'll choose one of my albums because I have lots of different albums, but I'll choose this one. And then I'll pick a picture. And then I'll go down here to the molecule, if you remember the molecule from yesterday. Press that. Gives me options to share. For me, I use Yahoo Mail, not Gmail, but you use Gmail, so you'll be choosing Gmail. Press mail once. Brings up a copy of the photo. Press 2, and then for you, you'll just start typing your email address. For me, I just have to pick the right one for me, which is very similar to you. And then you can do a subject. You were doing S1 and S2, so I'll do S4 or A4. Whoops, bad fat fingers. S4. And then I'll go ahead and press send. And now I have sent it to my email. We can check that because it might take a second, but we can check that on my email. I'll go to my email right now and check that out. Here's my Yahoo Mail. Open that up, scroll up to the top, and there's me with the S4 and the photo. And now I can save this. I can open this on my computer. I did it on my phone, but I can open it on my computer. And that is the whole recording.